What's up, Buttercup?
Nothing. I'm moving your camera. Your finger is...
You know I'm filming. It's recording.
It wasn't in the middle.
Hey guys, it's Amanda and welcome back to another nail tutorial where today I'm going to be showing you how to do this beautiful sunset nail art, and it's a lot easier than it looks. Let's get started. First, I'm going to grab my base color, which is going to be a very bright neon yellow. Now I'm grabbing my liquid latex and I'm painting it all around my cuticles and finger to protect myself from the gradient that we're going to do next. Go ahead and load up your sponge with half of a dark navy blue and half of that bright yellow that you used for your base color. Once the latex is dry, you're going to take that sponge with the loaded polish and you are going to dab it on. It's probably going to take a couple of layers, allowing about a minute in between each one to let it dry. And then once you've done your final one, you're going to grab your tweezers and peel off your liquid latex. Clean up if you have to, and then go ahead and put on a nice thick coat of shiny top coat and allow it to completely dry because we are going to be using acrylic paint next. Once that top coat is completely dry, take your black acrylic paint and I'm going to go ahead and put some lines down my nails to kind of represent how tall I want my trees to be. And starting from the top, I'm going to brush outwards from the middle, making the lines slightly longer the farther I go down. And by the way, the reason I had to put a top coat on before using the acrylic paint and let it dry completely is because if I mess up, you can just take a toothpick and scratch away your mistakes. But luckily, this nail art is so easy that there really are no mistakes, just happy little accidents. Next, grab a toothpick lightly dipped in some white acrylic paint and you're just gonna dab on a couple of little stars to kind of represent those first stars that you see at twilight. Finally, you're going to grab your top coat once again and put on another nice thick layer over the acrylic paint to give it a really pretty shine. And that's it, you guys. That's the complete look. It's super easy to do, yet has a really big impact. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching my video today, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss any new nail tutorials. Until next time, see ya!